The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, also known as Central School Organization, is a system of central government schools in India that are instituted under the aegis of the Ministry of Education, Government of India. As of April 2023, it has a total of 1,253 schools in India and 3 abroad in Kathmandu, Moscow, and Tehran. It is one of the world's largest chains of schools and also the largest chain of schools in India. It is controlled by 25 regional offices and 5 ZIETs under KVS. By providing a common syllabus and system of education, the Kendriya Vidyalayas are intended to ensure that the children of government employees do not face educational disadvantages when their parents are transferred from one location to another. Kendriya Vidyalaya Keonjhar is one of the members of the member of all Kendriya Vidyalaya which are run by the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Situated at the foothill of the thickly forested hills, the Vidyalaya provided a calm and serene environment for teaching and learning. This serene environment, further enhanced by the beautiful flower garden of the school, which is also highly admired at the regional level. In terms of academics, the school has marked unprecedented excellence. In the academic session 2023-24, Class 10 student Isita Bhuya became KVS regional topper, scoring 98.8%, and Rudra Madhav Patra held fourth position at regional level with 95.4%. Our student and cadet Sai Krishna Panda earned accolade with the selection of in Jharsunguda camp for CWS Best Cadet Award. Students with extraordinary achievements in field of sports are Ashutosh Nayak, Ruturaj Jena, Amrit Kumar Bal, Bipasha Liangi, Avishwet Hota, Madhusmita Mohanty, Shubham Nayak. The list is long and ever increasing. CCAs are important for students because they help them develop skills and experience that go beyond the classroom. Students of our Vidyalaya participate and compete with full enthusiasm and excitement in co-curricular activities. In Ek Bharat Shrishti Bharat, our students held second position in group songs. In Kala Utsav, students' performance reached pinnacle by securing first position in visual art in instrumental, second position in folk dance, folk song, and traditional storytelling. Our Vidyalaya provides innumerable opportunities to students throughout the academic session to hone as well as showcase their talent by participating in different activities as instructed by regional offices under different ministries on different occasions such as Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav, Bharatiya Janjatiya Utsav, Swachhata Pakhwada, and so on. National Education Policy 2020 mandates 50 hours of continuous professional development for teachers so that they self-staff with the necessary skills in the changing time. Our teachers adopt a multidisciplinary approach to foster skills, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving with the help of art integrated teaching learning. National Education Policy 2020 mandates 50 hours of continuous professional development for teachers so that they self-staff with the necessary skills in the changing time. To promote holistic development, our school offers a range of activities that enables students to hone their skills, develop confidence, and explore their creativity.